Hello guys, welcome to Civil Engineers Talk. We are just talking about civil engineering and construction. No faltu baat, no bakwas. So guys, today's our topic is how to measure an area in AutoCAD. It is very useful for every engineers and draftsmen who are in construction. So I'm going to tell you three major commands which is very useful in construction for measuring areas. So guys, first of all, you can see a plan or a drawing in a screen. So we are going to take a measurement for this plan. So we have to select an area command. You can see in the screen, type A in command and you'll get area. So enter and select any one corner from that plan. It's your choice. You can select another point or somewhere. It is depend on you. So select first corner and after select another corner, because we are selecting another corner because this line is straight, so there is no any offset. So select another corner and select third point. So we are continuing this activity like selecting point. You can select, see you can look at plan how I am selecting the area by selecting corners of plot. For more accurate area measurement, you have to select each and every point where offset is in plan. So you can see this green shaded area covered by green shade. This area is for measurement and its actual area for measurement. So you can see here we have covered all area or complete drawing from area command. So you can enter and you can see the area on screen, 253 meter square. The area is in mm because of we have selected area unit in mm, so it is in mm. So you can see here area and also perimeter. It's a very accurate and very useful command for area measuring. So let's start. So we are going to take another command which is measure geometry, MEAGEO, measure geometry. It's a very useful command that you can measure either length, area, perimeter by this command. So you can type MEAGOM, measuring geometry. You will find their dimension, area, volume, distance. So guys, this is a second command, measure geometry. Select by typing in command box and start from any corner where you want and we are going to take from same corner. So you can select as we previously selected points very carefully for accurate measurement, because it is very important to get an very accurate result. So we have to select all points very carefully. You can see these green shaded area we are selecting by measure geometry command. So this is a very basic and useful command. Somewhere interviewer asks ask questions from AutoCAD, so they are asking these commands. So you can see we have selected all the plot very carefully. Now we have to enter command, enter. So you can see the area 253 point something, and you can see perimeter there. So these are the same as previously we measured from area command directly. So it is a second method and it is also very useful. So guys, now another method, a third one is very useful and it is a permanent method. You can keep it in your drawing by saving it, and you can easily measure area by one click. So I prefer P-line method for area measure. So you can start by selecting a command PL in command box P-line and select or start from any corner. So you can see I'm selecting all corners very carefully, and P-line is in red, so it is clearly visible for everyone and also for me. So select any corners or plot by command P-line polyline and meet at where you started and close it P-line from start point at start point. So it is a polyline and enclosed by a polyline. So you can select you have to select line and enter a command list. So you can see and enter. So this dialog box will come on your screen and you can see the area clearly 253.35 and perimeter is also there. So it is a very accurate and permanent. You can save it in your drawing and you can measure without doing this activity repeatedly. You can measure by one click by selecting this area, this line, and entering list command. So guys, thank you for watching us. We are Civil Engineers Talk. No faltu baat, no bakwas. So please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest video update. Thank you for watching us. So guys, these are the basic and very important command for civil engineers. Thank you.